Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at a fascinating piece of technology designed for exploring the underwater world. The advanced 4K VR underwater drone with robotic arm, specifically the EVO standard model. This device is positioned as the ultimate marine exploration tool, and looking at its features, it certainly packs a punch. First off, the camera system is a major highlight. It boasts immersive 4K video recording capabilities, promising high-resolution footage that should provide an unparalleled viewing experience of the underwater environment. Imagine capturing the vibrant colors of coral reefs or the intricate details of marine life in stunning clarity. When it comes to getting down there, this drone offers an extended operating range. It comes equipped with a 100-meter cable, allowing users to explore significant depths. The remote control system is described as robust, suggesting reliable command and control even at a distance. Durability is also a key factor for any underwater equipment, and this drone seems built to handle varying conditions. It's rated to withstand temperatures ranging from a chilly -10 degrees Celsius all the way up to a warm 60 degrees Celsius, making it suitable for a variety of aquatic environments, from cooler lakes to warmer tropical waters. Powering these explorations is a substantial battery. The drone features a 9,000 mAh battery, which is stated to provide up to 4 hours of exploration time on a single charge. 4 hours is a decent duration for many underwater excursions, allowing for ample time to capture footage and observe the surroundings. For navigation and control, the drone offers intuitive FPV performance. This means real-time, first-person view, giving the operator the sensation of actually being underwater with the drone. This is facilitated by seamless Wi-Fi connectivity, which is crucial for maintaining a stable video feed and control link. Physically, the drone has a notable presence. Its dimensions are approximately 15 inches long, 5.6 inches wide, and 13 inches high. It comes in a clean white color and is constructed from plastic material. The package includes the essential components: the battery and the camera, ready for deployment. While the specific functions of the robotic arm aren't detailed in the feature list provided, its inclusion in the product name suggests additional capabilities for interaction with the underwater environment, perhaps for retrieving small objects or manipulating things. This adds another layer to its potential as an exploration tool. Manufactured by market-leading buys, this generic branded drone aims to bring advanced underwater exploration to users. With its combination of high-resolution imaging, significant range, robust build, long battery life, and FPV capabilities, the advanced 4K VR underwater drone with robotic arm EVO standard appears to be a comprehensive package for anyone serious about diving into the depths visually.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.